Hello everyone, my name is Coco Sherelle and this is my channel Bling. In this video, I will be designing a pair of Crocs for myself, and this time I will not be using the Loctite glue. Please go check out my other video where I designed a pair of Crocs using the ultimate glue in my opinion, Loctite. That video link will be in my description section below. But if you would like to see how I designed these Crocs, the Bling style, keep watching. As I mentioned earlier, I will not be using the Loctite glue. Instead, I'll be using my handy dandy E6000 glue. And this is because the Crocs are completely covered in glitter from the manufacturing company, which enables me to apply the E6000 glue with no issues. For my design, I decided to do a fish scale pattern, and I'm using a white wax pencil to draw the design. The wax pencil markings can be easily wiped off if I make an error using a damp cloth. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Hopefully you like what you see and hit that like and subscribe button to be part of the Bling family. And for my returning viewers and Bling family, it's always a pleasure to have you tune in. Now y'all don't forget to hit that like button also, because you already know it's going to be another beauty. So my pattern is just about complete, and this will be the guideline for my design. You will not be able to see the wax pencil white lines once the crystals are added. Hey guys, are y'all ready? Because it's bling time. I'll be using 4 different color rhinestone crystals, and the first color is Tanzanite AB. These rhinestone crystals are from Harmon Bead Import from their Star Bright collection. The main reason why I chose to use the E6000 glue is because of this pattern. I knew I would have to do some adjusting with the rhinestone crystals, and the E6000 glue allowed me to do that. Unlike the Loctite glue, which dries extremely fast, once the rhinestones are down, they'll be stuck and I wouldn't be able to move them. All my items will be listed in the description section below. Please look there if you are interested in any of these supplies, or if you would like to try to recreate this look for yourself. As you see, this video is sped up because I value your time. Please enjoy me doing what I do best and design these Crocs. I will pop in here and there where I feel I need to explain something. Hey guys, so I just wanted to explain my technique and pattern. As you see, I use all of the other 3 colors and I'm following the original curve pattern like a rainbow. Each layer is a different color and size. I will repeat this rainbow layer effect in each fish scale curve. Here is a close-up of the rainbow layer effect. And now I'm just repeating the color pattern. Now that the pattern is done, I'll be placing rhinestone crystals around the edge and on the top. Right here, I'm using Crystal and Crystal AB in stone size 8 to go over the Crocs logo. Hey guys, so I'm just about done. I'm just adding some finishing touches. I just want to make sure that the whole design just flows together nicely. Guys, I really love these. I think they came out better than I imagined. The fish scale pattern, it just draws you in, especially with all the other colors and the rainbow layer effect that I did. Oh my God, I'm in awe of my own creation. They're just so fancy and eye-catching. Guys, what do you all think? Do you like them? Do you love them? Where you wear them? Do you want me to make you a pair? Let me know in the comment section below. Are these a hit or what? If you enjoyed my video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and or send a super thanks for any amount. I would really appreciate it and it can help this channel. If you would like to see more Bling tutorials, hit that subscribe button and join the Bling family. So I let the Crocs cure for 24 hours, and here's me trying them on in my apartment, giving them a test walk just to make sure everything was good. You can follow me on Instagram. My page name is Bling in Air. I always post there first because it's so much easier. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, stay blessed and safe. Bye.